Okay, no, he's actually sucking his hands. Going. Hey, good morning, guys. Alright, so I just woke up this morning and I noticed I'm feeling, some pain around my eyes here. So, oops. Alright, so previously I got this ciprofloxacin tablets. So I'm just going to be taking that to help, maybe reduce the soreness. I don't know if you can see here, beginning to get swollen, and it's painful. It's only painful when I kind of blink my eyes. So that's just what I noticed this morning. But yep, I'm just leaving. I want to go and I noticed I ran out of detergent, so I need to wash some white. So I need to go downstairs, across, and get that. So let's go. Alright, so I'm actually at the streets right now, strolling to get the detergents. Like this morning, hair or fresh hair or breeze is actually very, very cooling, and it's very sweet. Anyway, I just need to show you guys. So it's been quite long. I actually put on lashes. Like for some weeks I've not been putting on lashes. I don't know, sometimes I just develop this attitude of I don't want to do this anymore. I want to keep this. I want to stop doing this, or I want to start doing this. So it's not just about stopping, it's also starting. So since my eye is swollen and it's kind of paining me here, I think it's boiled, because if I open it this way, you can see the points where I now know I notice it's just boiled. It's not just any other thing. So it's not like eye pain or eye problem or something. So I have a boil. Although I've taken medications, but yeah, I had to put on lashes. Okay, so I can cover up the stuff, although it still pains as I blink my eyes. I want to go and see my dad in his house, so I'm actually waiting for my friend. What's up, people? Good afternoon. Alright, so today my eye is better off. Alright, just an update. The soreness has actually gone down. I told you guys yesterday that this is actually the drug I took, and there was no pulse whatsoever. I woke up this morning and the pain was minimized. Man, it was too painful yesterday that, tears were just coming out my eye. Anytime I blink, tears would just drop down my eyes, like coming out from the side. It was very painful. So I had to take that drug, but it's better off. And since I was just in my monthly stuff, I was just having some breakouts. Yeah, it's a natural stuff. Sometimes you just can't control that particular one. So taking that stuff also helped a lot, and I just have to wait for it to go down, and after which I would exfoliate my skin with some natural stuff, as always, and back to my flawless skin. And letting you guys know the updates, and kind of going out right now. I just want to check up a friend. Oops, I didn't lock this. Okay, so this few days has been so challenging because of this pain on my eyes. It's very painful when you kind of experience such stuff. Really painful sometimes. Yep. So my eyes is better now. better, and I can blink without tears coming down. Yesterday was very painful. And see, this is the point where it's, you know, was about bringing out some, I don't know if you can see that just here, but I'm good now, better, though it's still painful, but not as bad as yesterday was. Yeah, yesterday's one was very painful. I just had to like take the drug and take the medication and just sleep off, you know. All right, beautiful ladies and gentlemen, let's go. Hey Roland. All right people, so hi, and Roland, we're chilling out here, and what does that mean? Help. Ooh, what is wrong with you? You say help. Help, Roland. Help us. Help us, please. You want them to help us?
I did go find one of my videos from Moto.
Help. What is saying? You want to tell me something? You want to say something? You want to say something? Tell me. Oh yeah, tell me. Tell us. Tell us. Oh, they've taken the light. Roland, they've taken the light. The light's gone now. The light is gone. He doesn't even know if they've taken the light or not. That is not. What? What are you saying? Excuse me? Why are you looking at my lashes? Oh, stop pouring saliva. That's gross. Will you stop pouring out saliva? Will you stop? Look at his mouth. Stop spitting out saliva. Alright, so I'm just having fun here with Roland. I think he's getting tired of sitting that way.
Mommy, come and teach me.
Okay, so okay, this is crying time. Crying time.
Mommy, but I'm not ready.
Okay, let's take care of him and we'll be back, alright? What up? So Roland is actually learning how to sit. You can see him learning how to sit. With plenty of saliva dropping this time. So I'm actually waging him so he can sit. He's a lazy boy. He's just he's not a lazy boy. He's a very strong boy. Very strong. He's 3 months and 2 weeks, I guess. Yep. So he's learning how to sit now. You're learning how to sit, baby.
Yeah, you check my YouTube page and you look at the recent post on Facebook.
Yeah. He's a very happy boy.
So
All what he loves doing
I
is
check my
to eat
YouTube
and
page.
sleep. Obviously, that is what children of this age do. So it's not just him, Jerry. He's a lovely boy to be to carry. Abu, I say hello. I say hello. Is that your own way of saying hello? Is that your own way of saying hello? What is that? I think that's going to be his first word. I don't know what that means. Oh no, he only cries when he wants to eat, so I think this is actually the time. What is that? Alright, let me carry you. So we'll be right back, okay? You want to suck my breast? Okay, no, he's actually sucking his hands.